our São Paulo School of Advanced Science on medicines from target to market is exactly what the title suggests. It's the history of a molecule since it is discovered for the first time, how it is characterized in terms of biochemistry, pharmacology, structure, interaction with targets, and then how we shift to preclinical assays, and then how we design and do trial assays with humans, and then how this new discovered asset is protected in terms of patent, intellectual property. How do we license it and negotiate that with the university or a new company? How do we create a new company? And how we get investment on that. And then we go through regulatory agencies until this initial molecule, it becomes a real drug, a real medicine to treat a disease in the future.
It's important for us to be there in Brazil for the first time because this summer school was implemented between Canada, France and Spain. And clearly there are economic power and scientific power in Brazil which can enrich this summer school for international networking. The main thing is that this one is a little bit longer than the others. And also now we have the full list of the attendees, and it's a really international summer school this year with more than 15 countries represented. So we had never had that before.
I'm an organic chemist, so I'm developing new drugs for the treatment of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's disease and amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. This disease was the one that Stephen Hawking had. I'm synthesizing new drugs to stop these diseases. We want to reduce the toxic effects, and we want to stop the neurons to die. And my expectations for this summer school are learning about specific things from experts in the field, and I really want to build my own network for future collaborations.
One of the highlights of this summer school and of this São Paulo School of Advanced Science is because as we are talking of a molecule from target to market, it's interesting to address exactly this transition point. And for that, you're going to have at least 6 speakers, top-level scientist speakers, that will be talking about, besides being a scientist, how they created and they founded some startups. Some of them are in the very beginning stage, but some of them are already going very successfully. So I think this is very good because these open perspectives for very young researchers and also for the students. There is plenty of opportunity in life and in careers when you're doing science of good quality.
Right now is a good time to be involved in research that could have an impact on new drug development. There is venture capital for the best ideas. There is a market for that. People understand the risk of starting a new company, but we realize it's good for the population, it's good for humanity to do that. Now, students need to understand that they have to be extremely good at what they are specialized in, but also they need to have some sort of transversal understanding of other specialties. And this week at the school, funded by FAPESP, we try to give them an overview of the whole process from target to market so that they can see where they fit in the whole process.